If you want to install an iOS launcher on Nothing Phone 3, all you have to do is, first of all, we need to go to the Play Store and we need to search for the iOS launcher. So we're gonna write iOS launcher. There we go. And over here you can find some apps that probably work in a similar way. So I'm gonna choose this one as an example. I'm gonna install this one. I'm gonna show you how to set this one up. However, if you don't like this one, feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store. And let's open it. So once we open it, we will need to grant some permissions. So over here we can grant the permission to location. However, I'm not gonna do that, but we can grant access to contacts and so on and so forth. And before we move on, another thing that we can do is go to App Library, and we will need to, okay, so for some reason we have this blur effect information which appears every time, so I'm just gonna set it to never. Then we can set this launcher to be the default one, so we're gonna switch to iOS launcher over here. Now we can press got it. And the reason why I wanted to go to the app library in those settings is because if you go to the app library, you might have an error. Actually, it is working just fine. Okay, so never mind. It works just fine. So as you can see, we have the app library, we have the iOS style on our Nothing Phone 3. And that's pretty much it. Remember that you can go through settings over here in order to adjust the launcher if needed. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.